What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video. And today we're getting a res delete. Obviously the M135i, it sounds good from stock, but it's a bit quiet sometimes, man. It can be a bit quiet. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a res delete in it. So I'm going to Infinity Exhaust right now to get a res delete, and let's just see what it sounds like in it after. I do it before and after. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm in Eco Pro Comfort mode, so it's not gonna go. But yeah guys, I'll see you there in it. Guys, also drop a like and comment down below if you want to see a part 2 of the first drive. So if you want to see a part 2, comment down below, innit? We're on the motorway now, guys. Well, not yet. We're going to the M32. Basically, not the motorway, the M32. On the way to Infinity Exhaust. Got a 30-minute drive, which ain't bad. This car's really smooth on the motorway.
You've gone dark.
And also, if you're thinking about how much MPG I've been getting since I've had the car, I've been getting 13.6 mpg. If you follow me on Instagram at 24 boost, you see that I post I'm getting 13.6 mpg, which is terrible. So right now I just have it in the eco mode and I've been driving it like a baby to save some petrol. I swear I've spent like £60, actually more than that. I'll probably say like £90 since I've got it. And how long has it been now?
Today.
Huh? 2 days. 2 days. Damn. I spent a lot. But anyway guys, I'll see you when I'm there, innit? Right guys, we're almost arrived. 2 minutes away now. I remember this journey I made in my Corsa 1.2 and my Corsa VXR. I came here with both cars and I'm here with my third car, personal third car. But yeah man, basically almost here now. We have now arrived at Infinity Exhaust. I'm about to get the res delete done. Yeah man. I haven't seen it anything either, so I want to see what it's like on YouTube. See if it's clean. So I wanted some new tips. Something like this, you know. I don't know what tips I'd want. I'll probably go for something like this. I don't know if I can change the tips. Is this your first time here? Oh yeah, I forgot. You look cold. Yeah man, so we're at Infinity Exhaust right now. I'm just whacking it in, whacking it out. And yeah, mad. Alright guys, let's see what it sounds like now. Yeah, it's a bit better. It's a bit better. Hopefully, when I'm driving I hear the little cracks in it when I downshift and that. Yeah, I like that though. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Alright guys, we're about to go on a drive now. Yeah. I think. That's what I wanted. Yeah, that's it. That's how I wanted the pops to sound a bit better than that. Just want to hear what it sounds like again. Do you know what I mean? Just pull that. I think it's cool down for it, does it? See what it does in the sport. Oh well. I'm flipping out, man. Not bad, is it? Not bad. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera. It hasn't really made much of a difference, I don't think. It sounds a little bit better, like when you rev it, but I don't think it's made much of a difference. I don't know what you think.
Really?
Yeah, it made a difference.
Oh well.
What a waste of money. And I think the exhaust is literally straight through already. Or maybe it's because we're in such a enclosed, open space. I mean, that bit then sounded a little bit louder. You know that dragged out bit? I think that's the bit that sounds a bit louder. Comment down below if you guys can hear a difference. I don't think I can that much. But, yeah. I mean, it was only a little resonator in there anyway. So, I mean, a little bit. Yeah, I'd say it's made a little bit of a difference. RIP to the fly. We just know that this car is quick, man. Obviously, I'm used to the speed now, anyways, isn't it? Just keeps going, man. Woo! gonna get copyright from the tune. Oh boy. That's it now, guys. I'm chilling. Today, not long ago, that's the 40 sheet in the tank. It was almost full, but look at it now. It's like halfway. And man hasn't even driven that much. This car is a drinker. When I say this thing is thirsty, man, it's thirsty. Damn. When I seen online that people saying, oh, the MPGs are bad on fuel, I see what they mean now. I thought, oh mate, it's probably not that bad. But it's terrible. I'm at the petrol station every minute. But miles per gallon, it's miles per gallon, as officially gas says, innit? So, man just waffling bare. I might end the video there, or I might get some more revving clips for you. But make sure you subscribe, innit? I'm getting there. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe if you want to see more lit content on the BMW. I don't know what I'm going to get next. Comment down below what you think I should get next done to the car. And yeah, man. Want you guys to see what it sounds like. You probably can't even hear it now, though. They won't hear it now. I think the pop sound a little bit better. Actually, no, it don't. So yeah, guys, if you ever want to do a res delete on the M135i, it's not worth it. I can't tell a difference whatsoever. Or maybe because the car's so well insulated, maybe that's why, but I can't tell a difference. I am terribly disappointed, but the literally the thing was probably about the length of my phone and like just a circle, so it wasn't a big one. So yeah, I guess next is gonna be the downpipe. Let me get a sports cat and intake, and I'll go for the stage 2. And go, I think it's 420 or 440, I don't know, but it's 400 plus horsepower in it, so don't quote me on that. And obviously a charge pipe, because they always say charge pipes are weak, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, man.